Are you listening? Wherever you are, I want you to know this is what you seek. I was lost, and a part of me missed something. What is the meaning of my existence? Where am I going in life? The questions without answers, invisible in the smoke of the concrete jungle. Somehow I managed to hear a distant echo, the call of the mountain. Now here I am, surrendering to Him, letting it shape me, letting it define me. The struggles, the pain, the grief, all feels nothing when you stand still against the storm or against the chaos of the universe. Here I am, becoming a mountain.